What's up, Industrial Automation World? I'm Mike. I'm the marketing manager for Scott Equipment Company. Today I wanted to talk to you about Baco controls. Baco Controls specializes in industrial controls and signaling devices, and they also do custom control stations. Baco Controls was started in 1919 and came to the United States in 1980, so they have over 40 years of working in the United States market. Baco Controls is located in central New York. They have 7 employees working with them. They also have a fully stocked warehouse and offer same-day shipping. Scott Equipment really enjoys working with Baco Controls because their products are modular. You can order any combination that you need to customize it for your project, and they're super easy to install. I want to show you how easy. There's a standard push button, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart and put it back together just to show you how easy it is. It does have a locking mechanism. Push button comes right out. And then the contact blocks are interchangeable. And they're super easy to remove. Just a little bit of pressure with a screwdriver, the contact block comes out. And I'm going to put this back together just to show you how easy it is. Locked in. I'm going to install the contact block. Boom. And you know what? I'm going to install 2 today just to show you how easy it is. The good news is it can only be installed one way. And just like that, your push button is ready to roll. If you have any questions about Baco controls, reach out to your local Scott Equipment Company account manager. Ask them any questions about any of the Baco products. They can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for taking a couple minutes today to watch this Baco controls video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great industrial automation videos. Thanks.